DLRs, hey, what's going on, Wakeboards with the Wakeboards channel? Thank you for watching. We are talking caulk or silicone tubes that go in caulk guns, and we're going to talk about a common cause of why the actual silicone or caulk is not coming out of the tube. Let's take a look. So take a look at the overall condition of your caulk gun. If anything's damaged, it's time to replace it. And down below in the comments and description will be a link on where to purchase a few different caulk gun options. We'll set that aside and bring in a tube of caulk, and in our case, all-purpose exterior window door projects silicone. And we just use this on a dryer chute. And inside here, just check the overall condition of the inner portion of the caulk tube. If all looks good, come up top, and DIYers, in most cases, all you have to do is use a utility knife and snip away the tip of the probe here, and that opens up the flow of caulk or silicone to be fed out of this probe and be applied to whatever you are using it for. However, some caulk tubes or adhesive tubes require a little more than just that. Take a look at the instructions and on to step 3. Look at this. Pierce inner foil seal. And what that means is you can cut this probe all the way down to the largest hole and put this tube inside the caulk gun and engage the trigger and try to release the silicone from this tube, and it will never do that because the inner foil right inside here has not been punctured. So again, step 3. Next, I'm bringing in the caulk gun and inserting the tube inside, and I'm going to engage the trigger until the caulk is locked in place. And from here, again, if you've got a tube that requires the foil to be punctured and you don't do that, once you get to this point and continue engaging or pulling the trigger, you are putting a lot of stress inside here because, again, the caulk is not allowed to come out of the probe because you did not puncture that seal. And if you apply too much pressure to the trigger, you are going to snap it at this location here or damage the inner side of the tube, and it will start leaking right here, and that's not what you want. So again, I wanted to show you that. In addition, a feature with this caulk gun is you have a little needle or puncturing tool here that can be shifted out, and you can use it to puncture the foil in the tube. DORs, that's it. We hope this helps. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.